This is what makes living in Scottsdale, Arizona so desirable.
Space, style, privacy, right in the heart of it all.
Welcome to 6071 East Ludlow Drive in the magic 85254 zip code, where Scottsdale living meets Paradise Valley schools. This updated 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a bonus room offers nearly 2,800 square feet of single-level living on almost half an acre with no HOA. Inside, you'll find a sleek European-style kitchen with custom cabinetries, a large kitchen island, and quartz countertops, perfect for daily living and entertaining. The split floor plan creates ideal privacy with a spacious primary suite and flexible space for guests, family, or a home office. Step outside to your own private retreat, complete with an outdoor kitchen, diving pool, and a lush grassy area. Surrounded by mature trees and open space, it's the perfect blend of comfort and seclusion. And the location, just minutes from Kierland Commons and Scottsdale Quarter, offering world-class shopping, golf, dining, and entertainment right around the corner. This is the lifestyle Scottsdale is known for. Schedule your private showing today. You have natural light pouring in, clean modern lines, and an open concept that just works.
The split floor plan is perfect for families or when you're hosting. Everyone gets their own space. And with a bathroom like this, who needs a day away at the spa?
You feel the difference the moment you step out here.
It's not just a home, it's the lifestyle that comes with it.
To see more beautiful homes in Scottsdale, Arizona, like, share, and subscribe.